Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. My name is Nick. We will talk about a really big product, N8N. So first of all, I wanna tell you about this product a bit. So N8N is a software tool for automation. This is a really big software. And to open up their website, you need to type in the search box N8N and go through the link. So N8N is a flexible AI workflow automation for technical teams. So to use it, you don't have to know how to coding. To create something, you just need to drag and drop these plates on the workspace, of course connect them, and by doing this you will be able to create your own algorithms. So built with the precision of code or the speed of drag and drop, host with on-prem control or in the cloud convenience. N8N gives you more freedom to implement step AI agents and integrate apps than any other tool. So here you can read more about this software. The next thing which I would like to tell you about is pricing. So at the very top you can find this tab. There are only three plans. The first one for $20 per month if you pay annually. If you pay monthly, you need to pay $24 per month. In this plan you will get 2,500 workflow executions and 5 active workflows, and of course unlimited test ones. And at the very bottom you can see what also this plan includes. It was the starter plan. The second one is Pro for $50 per month, 10,000 workflow executions and 15 active workflows. And of course everything in starter plan plus free shared projects, 7 days of insights, admin roles, global variables, and so on. And if you would like to get something bigger when the Pro plan, you can contact them and talk about your custom plan. So you can add anything what you want, unlimited workflow executions, unlimited active workflows, and these features also. Just click on the contact us and talk with support about it. And now let's create an account. To do it, just click on the get started at the top right. You'll be taken to this page. To create an account, you need to type your full name, company email, confirm your email address, create your password, and of course add account name. Check this checkbox and click on the start free 40-day trial. There is how it can looks like, and then click on start free 14-day trial if you would like to get it. It was a short video about N8N, so if you would like to know more about this really helpful tool, you can open up this website and just read it right here. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.